Our smiles are probably the most precious asset we have, and you need to share it with as many people. But of course, as we age, our teeth are bound to see some changes happen too, but that doesn't mean it's too late for help. Joining me right now to talk about his beautiful work is Dr. John Heimke from Oral Design Cleveland. Dr. Heimke, it's great to see you.
Pleasure to be here.
Love that smile. You're always sharing it with everybody. We appreciate you coming here. We're going to talk about tooth loss today. And quite frankly, it could be very troubling. A very troubling experience for really anybody that goes through it.
Too.
Yes, but there's other options than just dentures. And let's talk about those options right now.
Well, we don't want to put our teeth in, as far as dentures, into a glass every night.
Yes.
We'd like to avoid that.
Right.
And we have the solution. Full arch dental implants. Basically, the teeth go. Implants go in, then you get a healing bridge, and then ultimately 3 months later we make the final zirconia bridge.
See, technology's really come a long way since dentures in the glass.
Exactly.
A lot of folks don't think that though. They don't know the advancements that are made, so I think it's great that you're sharing this with us right now.
Yeah, and you know, the process is fairly straightforward. We do a 2D digital smile design. Okay. Then I have a team of myself that kind of organizes the case and designs it, then the surgeon, and then we have laboratories, local laboratory, and then finally Pincus Adar in Atlanta. As you can see some of on the prosthesis here, this is a prosthesis that is milled with a multi-milling machine that makes it into a form. It's kind of like chalk, and then they bake it in a special computerized oven, and then look at the beautiful result that happens at the end.
And that never leaves your mouth once it's...
No, it's screwed in, and we see the patient once a year, and if we have to take it out, we can very easily do it, but only a dentist can do that.
Wow. And it's permanent, if you will.
Yes, it's permanent, so to speak, in that only we can take it out. And so it's much more like your own teeth versus putting them in a jar every night, which people don't want to do. It's clean. It's made of this ceramic called zirconia, so it doesn't smell. It doesn't bring in bacteria. It's very easy to clean with a water flosser and a toothbrush, and you'll never get a cavity again because titanium implants just don't get cavities.
No, right, and it's just like real teeth. They look just like real teeth.
Yeah, and now, you know, the biggest thing is it costs money to do it.
Right, it's
an
investment.
You know, if we do an upper and lower jaw, it's kind of like buying a pickup truck. Okay. And if we do just one jaw, which is kind of, you know, the most common thing, think of it like a used car. Okay. And that's usually, but people need to know that. Right. It's an investment.
Very good, and you put that out front. Yeah. Just where the teeth go too.
Exactly.
Right. How about let's take a look at some of your awesome work.
Yeah.
All right.
So we're going to see a case here. As you can see, this patient had teeth that were kind of on a downward trend. Okay. And so we did an upper and lower case here. And you're going to see in just a moment the result. Look at that. Oh, you know, beautiful zirconia hybrids made by Pincus Adar Oral Design Atlanta. I'm Oral Design Cleveland. And those are screwed in. She cannot take those in and out. And it just is wonderful. And then this patient, he also has a prosthesis upper and lower, and just look at that result. This is when he's getting it screwed in for the first time. Oh, wow. Just ecstatic.
Boy, how do you stop them from smiling? That's the thing.
Oh, well, you know, you actually have to practice a little bit, but they love doing it, yeah.
Yeah, they probably have it on all the time, man. Well, they want to share it with everybody. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you, for more information, we're going to give you all the details now. Oral Design Cleveland, 21851 Center Ridge Road in beautiful Rocky River, Suite 302. You can give them a call at 888-255-3588. EveryoneLovesMySmile.com and DentalImplantsRockyRiver.com, also their web address as well. Doctor, once again, thanks for sharing with us.
Thank you, and happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you so much. Don't forget your teeth in the glass.
No, I won't do that.
All right, we'll take a quick break. We'll come back. Can I try those on for real quick? Just make a shot here.
This segment of Good Company was sponsored by Oral Design Cleveland.